The hallway is often one of the most overlooked areas in our homes. It's typically the first space people see when they enter, yet it's easy to focus more on the main rooms than this transitional area. However, in 2025, hallways are gaining popularity as cozy, functional, and aesthetically pleasing spaces that set the tone for the rest of the home. Whether you're working with a small entryway or a spacious corridor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere is essential. In this guide, we'll explore the top hallway design trends for 2025, including warm lighting ideas and tips for styling entryway rugs that bring comfort, elegance, and functionality to this often underestimated space. Let's dive in. 1. The importance of first impressions. Your hallway is more than just a passage between rooms. It's the first impression guests have of your home. This is why it's important to make it as welcoming as possible. The design trends for 2025 place emphasis on creating a warm, cozy environment right from the front door. By carefully selecting lighting, rugs, and color schemes, your hallway can reflect your personal style and create a seamless transition into the rest of your living spaces. 2. Embracing natural materials. One of the dominant trends in 2025 is the use of natural materials that evoke warmth and comfort. In hallways, think wood, stone, and rattan. Natural materials not only add texture and depth to your space but also create a calming, organic feel that invites people in. Wood is a classic choice for hallway flooring. For a cozy, rustic vibe, opt for warm oak, walnut, or even reclaimed wood. For a modern twist, go for matte finish wood with minimal grain, which can feel sleek yet still grounded. Stone tiles with natural textures can also elevate your hallway's aesthetic. Try incorporating smooth marble tiles or textured slate for a more earthy touch. These materials not only look stylish but also stand up well to the wear and tear of high-traffic areas like hallways. To add more visual appeal, consider integrating rattan or wicker details through furniture pieces like console tables, baskets, or even wall accents. These materials enhance the tactile quality of the space, contributing to the cozy vibe. 3. Warm, inviting lighting. Lighting is one of the most crucial aspects of designing a cozy hallway. Poorly lit hallways can feel cold and unwelcoming, while the right lighting transforms a hallway into an inviting and relaxing space. In 2025, there's a significant shift towards warm, ambient lighting that creates a soft, inviting glow. Gone are the days of harsh, bright overhead lights. Instead, focus on layered lighting, combining wall sconces, pendant lights, and floor lamps to create depth and interest in your hallway. Wall sconces are a great choice for hallways because they free up floor space and can be strategically placed to create an even distribution of light. For a cozy feel, look for sconces with fabric shades or those in soft, gold, or matte black finishes. Pendant lights are another fantastic option. A small, statement-making pendant light can add both style and warmth to the space. Consider opting for fixtures in natural materials like wood or woven rattan, which add texture while maintaining the cozy atmosphere. For those who prefer more ambient lighting, recessed lighting with dimmers is an excellent solution. You can control the intensity of the light based on the time of day or the mood you want to create. Pairing dimmer switches with soft, warm LED bulbs allows you to adjust the lighting from bright and energizing to soft and serene, perfect for relaxing at the end of a long day. Lastly, consider adding smart lighting features. These systems can be programmed to adjust based on the time of day or your preferences. Some smart lights even offer color-changing options, allowing you to switch up the tone of the light for different occasions, making your hallway a versatile space for any mood. 4. Statement-making entryway rugs. An entryway rug is more than just a functional item, it's an opportunity to make a bold style statement. In 2025, expect to see entryway rugs that serve as key elements of the overall hallway design, adding color, texture, and warmth to the space. When choosing a rug for your hallway, consider its size, material, and pattern to ensure it complements your overall design. Start with the size. Your rug should be large enough to cover the floor space where people will be walking but not so large that it overwhelms the rest of the hallway. A good rule of thumb is to choose a rug that's about 2 feet smaller than the width of the hallway on each side. For materials, wool and jute are among the top choices in 2025. Wool is a durable and soft material that can withstand heavy foot traffic, while jute brings a natural, organic texture to the space. Both materials help add warmth and comfort to your entryway while being practical and long-lasting. If you prefer patterns, there are plenty of on-trend options for 2025. Geometric patterns, including stripes, chevrons, and abstract designs, are still popular and can add a touch of modernity to your space. For a more vintage-inspired look, Oriental or Persian-style rugs are making a comeback. Their intricate patterns and rich colors can create an elegant, timeless feel in any hallway. For those who prefer a more minimalist aesthetic, a solid color rug in muted tones like soft beige, muted mustard, or deep navy can offer a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. These colors are perfect for creating a warm, neutral base that complements other natural elements in the space. 5. Mixing textures for comfort and style. In 2025, mixing textures is one of the key strategies to achieve a cozy, stylish hallway. A balance of rough and smooth surfaces, soft fabrics, and hard materials will add visual and tactile interest to your entryway. For instance, pairing a plush wool rug with a wooden console table creates a contrast between softness and natural texture. Velvet cushions on a hallway bench or woven baskets placed under a console table introduce soft textures that invite comfort, while maintaining a sophisticated design. To keep the space from feeling too cluttered, aim for a curated mix of textures. You don't want to overwhelm the space, but a few key pieces in different materials can make your hallway feel more dynamic and layered. 6. Colors that bring warmth and comfort. The color palette for your hallway sets the tone for the entire space. For 2025, the trend is shifting toward deeper, warmer shades that make spaces feel inviting and cozy. These colors are perfect for hallways, as they offer a sense of warmth without making the space feel cramped. Earthy tones are among the top color choices for hallways in 2025. Think rich terracottas, warm taupes, and soft rusts. These colors can be paired with accents of gold or brass for a touch of luxury and warmth. If you prefer a more neutral base, shades of cream, beige, and soft grays are timeless choices that create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. For a more dramatic effect, deep jewel tones like emerald green, mustard yellow, and navy blue can be used for accent walls or as the backdrop for larger furniture pieces. These colors bring a sense of richness to the space, making the hallway feel more like a living room than a mere passageway. To create a balanced, cozy look, mix your wall colors with warm-toned furnishings, such as a wooden console table, brass-framed mirrors, and earthy-toned rugs. This combination will tie the entire design together, ensuring a seamless flow between the hallway and the rest of your home. 7. Personalizing with artwork and accessories. Finally, 2025 design trends emphasize the importance of personalization. After all, your hallway should reflect your personality and the style of the home. Adding a few carefully chosen pieces of artwork, family photos, or travel souvenirs can help create a more intimate and personal atmosphere. Consider hanging a gallery wall of framed art or photographs along one side of the hallway. Opt for frames in complementary materials like wood, metal, or even marble to tie in with the overall natural and cozy feel. Alternatively, a single large mirror in an ornate frame can add depth to the space while also serving as a functional piece. Small accessories like a decorative bowl on a console table or a vase of fresh flowers can also make your hallway feel more welcoming and lived in. These little details are what transform a functional space into a cozy, stylish part of your home. So, there you have it. The top hallway design trends for 2025 that will transform your entryway into a cozy, welcoming, and stylish space. From sculptural walls and earthy materials to warm lighting ideas and chic rug styling, your hallway has endless potential to be both functional and beautiful. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personality and welcomes you home every time you walk through the door. Play with colors, textures, and lighting, and don't be afraid to experiment with bold designs. The hallway is your chance to make a statement. If you love these tips, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration. Let me know in the comments, How are you planning to update your hallway in 2025? Until next time, stay cozy and stylish.